Welcome back. You're watching The Money Show, and it's time to get your mutual fund portfolio queries. I'm joined by Hemant Rustagi from Vice Invest. Hemant, good evening. Welcome to the show. And we will take Sri Krishna's. Okay, we will take Somesh Biradar's question. Do we have him on the phone line? Hi, good
Yeah,
evening,
hello.
Somesh. Hi, good evening. Thank you so much for sending us your query. You're calling from?
Yeah, I'm calling from Karnataka, Bijapur.
Okay, so I have your portfolio details. You have Parag Parikh Flexi Cap, you have a Flexi Cap from HDFC, you have a small cap from Quant, Nippon India Mid Cap 150 Index, Motilal Oswal 250 Micro Cap, Invesco India Arbitrage, and GM Flexi Cap. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am, correct.
And you want to invest for 20 years. Any specific corpus that you're looking for?
Yeah, actually, I'm looking for my retirement purpose. I'm looking for my fire numbers. It comes around 5.62 CR after 20 years.
Okay, 5.62.
Yeah.
Okay, let's figure this out for you. Hemant?
This is actually, let me clarify my all investments. This is only Indian equity, apart from my PF and NPS, which including PF and NPS, it will be around 15,000 per month. And I'm also investing in US equity around 3,000 rupees per month. So I wanted to acquire 5.5 crores for next 20 years.
So for those details, I would request you to send us those details once again, because then we want to know the exact value of your investment. And because we don't have the other details. You said PPF and NPS is almost 60,000 per month, and you have a portfolio of direct equity also. Let us just take the consultation on the funds first, and then we'll see, how can we take this ahead. Hemant?
Important thing here is that the time horizon is 40 years, which is like perfect for investing through SIP in equity, especially when he's talking about building a corpus for his retirement. So I think he's on the right track. He should continue with that. The SIP amount currently is 36,500. So if I assume annualized return of 12%, he can expect to build a corpus of around 3.30 crore. Now, since he has just informed that he is also investing in NPS and other options, I think he should be able to kind of achieve his target of 5.5 crore, provided he continues this uninterruptedly. And I think the attempt should also be increase the SIP amount as and when possible. If not, if he can't step up every year, I think he should make an attempt to increase it every year. If I look at that portfolio, I think broadly, I would say that there are a couple of changes that I think he needs to make. For example, he has a small cap fund, and he also has a micro cap index fund. So in the small cap fund, the allocation is 6,000, which is almost like 16% of the current SIP amount. With the micro cap, I think it becomes a little more aggressive. So I think that's something that he needs to reconsider. Then I also see that he's investing some money in arbitrage fund of Invesco. If the objective here is to make this as a part of retirement corpus, obviously arbitrage fund is not the right option. So my recommendation would be that the money which is lying in, which is being invested in Invesco arbitrage, should be invested in Invesco Focus, and he can also consider stopping his SIP in microcap index fund and also add it in here, so to bring the right balance in the portfolio. In the small cap, he has a small cap fund. My recommendation would be that if you can either look at Bandhan small cap or Nippon small cap, I think those to me look a better option. So these couple of changes, and as I mentioned, I think he should be able to build a corpus of around 3.3 crore.
All right, all the best, Somesh, and for the rest of the portfolio, I think we need to get more details from you. Let's speak to Gautam. Gautam, hi, good evening.
Hi, good evening. How are you doing?
Okay, so I'm doing good. Thank you so much for sending us your question, Gautam. And so you currently invest in PPF and NPS, and you do a little bit of stocks. You want to invest for 15 years in mutual funds. So what is the amount that you're looking at every month?
Business assets in fixed amount that I'm looking for, I think, bear up to 30K per month.
Sorry, how much?
30,000.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.